Hello everyone, welcome to Akosia's tasty recipe. I hope you're all doing well. Okay, so for today I will be sharing with you how I made this red velvet cheesecake brownies or red velvet bars. Yes, you can call it either brownies or bars. Yes, it's very delicious and a very great dessert. Okay, so let's get started. So these are the simple ingredients you will need for this recipe. So the first thing to do is to mix the sugar and melted butter until it's light, and then you go ahead and add 2 eggs, but add it one at a time. Please make sure the eggs are fresh and room temperatured eggs. Once it's well mixed, go ahead and add a teaspoon of vanilla. So I'm using vanilla clear. You can also use the vanilla bean or any brand of vanilla you want. And then I added a half tablespoon of salt. Mix everything together and then sift in your flour, cocoa powder, and then baking powder. I will list all the ingredients in the description box. Once all the dry ingredient goes in, give it a good mix until everything is well combined. So once everything is well mixed, go ahead and add your food coloring and then mix everything together. So with the food coloring, it depends on how bright or how red you want your brownies to be, but you add it in bit until you achieve the desired color that you want, and then you use your spatula to give it another good mix and then put it inside your baking pan. So I'm using this 8 inches baking pan. Make sure to line the baking pan with a parchment paper. So once all the mixture goes inside, spread the mixture with your offset spatula in the 4 corners of the pan. So the next thing I'll be doing is to mix my cheesecake. So I added 8 ounces of cream cheese and then 3 tablespoons of sugar. Beat or mix everything together until it's light and fluffy. Please scrape the side and then give it a good mix so that everything will be well mixed. And then add 1 fresh egg. Make sure it's room temperatured eggs and they are fresh so that your baked item will taste good. And then go ahead and add half tablespoon of vanilla and then give it a good mix. Okay, so once you're done with the cheesecake mixture, bring back your brownies and then pour the cheesecake on top of your brownies. Okay, so once everything goes inside, I will give it a shake and then use a cake tester to make swirls on top of the brownies, like trying to mix the cheesecake and the brownies to give it that marble design. I also dip the cake tester in the food coloring to give it more brighter design. You can use a skewer for this, which is fine. Bake this for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, so after 25 minutes it's ready, so I'm going to allow it to cook completely before I slice it. Okay, so the red velvet brownies has been cooling in room temperature for about 30 to 35 minutes now, so I'm going to go ahead and give it a good slice and then show you how beautiful it looks like. So I'm going to divide this into 9. You can go ahead and then also divide it into the small cubes, whichever way you want to slice your brownies, it's fine. But look at how it looks like. It looks so moist and very chewy. It was so delicious, and then the smell was amazing. I really love it. But to achieve a good result, please allow it to cool before you slice. You can also put it in the ref. Okay, so that's the end of this recipe. Please, if you like this recipe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. Stay tuned for more recipes. Enjoy your day. Bye bye.